Well, hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be cooking one of my all-time favourites. It's a roast duck. It's so simple, so succulent, not greasy if you cook it properly. And to show you how, please watch this video. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we have a lovely plump duck that we're going to have for a roast dinner. And we'll show you how to do this anyway. To start with, what I'm going to do, I've got some of this clarified butter, or melted butter anyway. That can go over the top of the bird with this brush. Try and get it over as much as you can. We can baste with this as well. So there we go, that's all in there. Put that to one side. Now the next step will be to get just an ordinary fork like this one, and prick the bird all over, and it will allow partly for the fat of the bird, because obviously it's not like a chicken, it's got a lot of duck fat in there that can come out through these little holes. Actually what I'll do now, I'll give it a touch more melted butter like so. Then we can go on with some salt, a good sprinkling of that, that'll go down well, and some freshly cracked black pepper. We're getting a bit short on that, we'll have to put that on the list for shopping. That should do. And finally, I'm going to put a sprinkling of paprika, just a light sprinkling of paprika. This is more for colouring, just to make it look better really. Give it a bit of suntan if you like. Give that little sprinkling all over like that. Yeah, that looks good already. Still got to cook it though, haven't we? Right, now that is ready for the oven. Okay, so this lovely scrummy bird's been in the oven now for 1.5 hours, gas mark 4. Yeah, should be done. To be on the safe side, we'll just give it a double check with this thermometer into the thickest part of the carcass there. Yeah, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Yeah, 170, 170, 172, 173. Yeah, we'll call that done. Well, let's give this duck a little try, shall we? First of all, can you see that lovely brown skin on there? Mmm, tasty. Really nice. Especially while it's still hot, I must say. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give me a like. Any comments, leave them down below. I'm sure to get back to you. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks once again guys, and bye for now.